Well, if you notice, we've got the boat back in the shop. To get you up to speed, this is our broken boat, 1995 Mastercraft ProStar 190, and it needed an engine. I'll be sure to link down below the other two episodes that we've done on it. But anyways, coming over here, we got a new engine. So a buddy of ours has a machine shop, and he went ahead and did everything on this. He's got some new pistons, new lifters, rockers, bearings, all that sort of stuff. Reboard, and it's got everything that needs to be done. It's also a new block because the other one was cracked. So when we got it back, it was already painted, which was really nice. Started putting stuff like the oil pressure sensor and the distributor and the coil and all that sort of stuff. And it's starting to look really good. We'll have this transmission to put on yet, and some other water pump bits, the exhaust and whatnot. All the final touches done on it. Put the distributor on, all the spark plug wires, all that sort of stuff. Just have this oil drain to put on once we lift it up a bit more. But yeah, gonna go ahead and we'll drag it outside and plop it in the boat. All right, so we went ahead and pulled the boat outside, and you can see we've got it all soaped up in here with just some dish soap. There's a bit of oil on the carpet up there. We were gonna replace it, but we're thinking maybe we're just gonna clean it now at this point, as well as all the gross stuff in here is oil and gas and whatnot needs to be cleaned out. Okay, so we got everything, all the wires, primed the oil system, and all that sort of stuff. So we're thinking just drag it outside and see if it'll start. So we did the initial break-in of running it for 10 minutes at 2000 RPM, then shutting it off and letting it all the way cool down. And then we did it again, and now it's 2 days later, so we're just gonna go ahead and see how our timing is and everything and try and start it up. Okay, so we're down at the lake and got the boat here with the new engine in it. So we'll go ahead, launch it. We also brought the Sea-Doo in case anything goes wrong. But yeah, let's get in the water. Well, that's officially going to end the boat series. This was our second test drive with it, and it had absolutely zero issues. So there'll be a big playlist down below with all the videos that we've done on it, including the shorts. And be sure to check that out if you're interested. If you have any questions on what we did, feel free to ask them down below, and we'll be happy to answer them.
Hit him with a quick slide like I do the 2C. Said that you were seeing somebody, think you should get it. Yeah, I'm sorry, I thought it when he said it. If I didn't, then I probably would regret it. And I meant it, think you got it, with a promise to get better. Cause I told you I'm smooth like ice, and that's a fact, Mike.